Hello dear students, in this video we will complete exercises of lesson 8 adjectives. Exercise A, add suitable suffixes to the words in the brackets and complete the sentences. First number, it was a beautiful day with a somewhat cloudy sky. Second, Arun's boyish charm and delightful appearance impressed everyone. Third, I am a little feverish and sleepy. Fourth, it's dangerous to cross such a muddy stream. Fifth, she is an attractive person with a cheerful personality. Sixth, the queen wore a silken gown and an embroidered sandal. Seventh, we walked down the crowded streets of Banaras and finally reached its historical ghats. 8. This is not only a useful product but has an artistic design too. Exercise B. Here we will underline the adjectives and then state that what kind of adjective is that. Whether it is adjective of quality or quantity or number or demonstrative adjective, we have to mention that. And then we also have to indicate the nouns which they describe. Okay. So first number, the climber did not eat any meals. So here any is adjective of quantity. Okay. And meals is the noun. Second number, there is a cold wind blowing. Cold is adjective of quality and wind is noun. Third number, dark clouds hovered in the sky. Dark is adjective of quality and clouds noun. Fourth, either book will do. Either is adjective of number. Okay, and book is noun. Fifth number, these eggs are rotten. So these demonstrative adjective and rotten is adjective of quality and noun is eggs. Sixth number, I have a few friends. So here few is adjective of number and friends noun. Seventh number, he made several mistakes. So several here is adjective of number and mistakes noun. Eighth number, 3 boys were walking down the narrow lane. So 3 adjective of number and the noun is boys and narrow is adjective of quality and lane is again noun. Ninth number, Sukhvinder scored the 3rd goal of the match. So 3rd is adjective of number and goal is noun. 10th number, the talkative girl got into a long argument. So talkative adjective of quality, girl noun and long is adjective of again adjective of quality and argument noun. 11th number, I have enough rations to last 2 months. Okay, enough adjective of quantity, rations noun, 2 adjective of number and months noun. 12th number, the Chinese language is not easy to learn. So Chinese is adjective of quality. Okay, Chinese adjective of quality, language noun and easy adjective of quality, and this describe the Chinese language. Easy, for easy noun is Chinese language. 13th number, every word in this article is meaningful. So every adjective of number, word noun, this demonstrative adjective, article noun and meaningful adjective of quality. 14th number, this information must be conveyed to the loyal supporters. This demonstrative adjective, information noun, and loyal quality, adjective of quality, and supporters noun. 15th number, the lonely lady lived in a huge mansion by the side of a dark lake which had not received much rain that year. So here lonely, adjective of quality, lady noun, huge again adjective of quality, mansion noun, dark quality, lake noun, and much quantity, rain noun. Now exercise C, fill in the blanks with adjectives as indicated in the brackets. According to the instruction given in bracket, we have to fill adjectives in the blank. First number, the dash prize went to Kavita, adjective of number. So here you will write the first prize went to Kavita. You can write any other also, first, second, third, anything you can write here. Second number, suddenly a dash elephant blocked our path, adjective of quality. So here you can write huge. You can write your own answer also, like big elephant or black elephant, like that you can write. Third, he comes to the club dash day, adjective of number. So here you will write every day. Fourth number, dash oranges are sweet, demonstrative adjective. So you will write here these. These oranges are sweet. Fifth number, you should revise the dash lesson, adjective of number. Here you will write last lesson. Okay, you should revise the last lesson. Sixth number, dash book did you buy at the book fair, interrogative adjective. So you will write here which book did you buy at the book fair. Seventh number, dash areas of the district are under water, adjective of number. You will write here many areas of the district are under water. Eighth number, you have to use adjective of quantity. So you will write is there any water in the jar. Exercise D, form adjectives from these words and make sentences with the adjectives. Okay, so you have to form adjective from the given words. You have to form adjective first and then you have to write the sentences. Like one number is already done. So second number, nature, adjective is natural, break adjective broken, day adjective daily, boy adjective is boyish, courage courageous, might mighty, live lively, energy energetic, length lengthy, taste tasty, fun funny. So now you have to write, you have to make sentences out of these words. Okay, natural, broken. So you can write it by your own. You can write your own sentences. Okay. Exercise E, you have to identify that whether the highlighted words are adjective or pronoun. Okay. First number, whose pencil box is this? So here whose is interrogative adjective. Okay, because why? After whose pencil is written, that is noun. So this whose is interrogative adjective and this is demonstrative pronoun. Second number, those are my books on the table. So here those is demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Third number, what does she want? So this what is interrogative pronoun. Fourth number, the book that are on the table are his. So here that is relative pronoun and his is possessive pronoun. Fifth number, Smita is a friend of hers. So hers is possessive pronoun. My book is on the table. Here my is possessive adjective. Seventh number, what color is your t-shirt? So here what is interrogative adjective and your is possessive adjective. Because after that you can see after what color is written, which is noun. After your t-shirt is there, that is also noun. So these are interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. 8 number, those books are mine. So those is demonstrative adjective, because after that books is written, which is noun. Okay, and mine is possessive pronoun. 9th number, whose are these pens? So here whose is interrogative pronoun, because after that there is no noun, and these is demonstrative adjective, because after that pens is written, which is noun. 10th number, stop the car near that gate. That is demonstrative adjective, because after that gate is written, which is noun. 11th number, I got back my pen. My is possessive adjective, because after that pen is written, which is noun. He will get his. His is possessive pronoun. 12th number, what are you talking about? So here what is interrogative pronoun and you is personal pronoun. 13th number, those who live nearby can stay back. So those demonstrative pronoun, who relative pronoun. Exercise F, here we will fill these blanks with adjectives and complete the passage, and also we have to mention that whether whatever adjectives we have used, whether they are adjective of number, quality, quantity, interrogative, demonstrative or possessive. Okay. I went shopping with my best friend last Saturday. We went to a big shopping mall near my house. There were many people at the mall at that time. I wanted to buy some music CDs. We entered a music store with hundreds of CDs to choose from. I was spoilt for choice. A smart salesman walked up. He was wearing a brown suit. With his help, I bought a few CDs of my choice. After that, we decided to have a quick lunch at an inexpensive restaurant. I had a serving of green salad and a glass of fresh lemonade. My friend had a dosa and jalebis with hot milk. It was a truly exciting day. On our way back, we visited my aunt and spent some time with her. Aunt dropped us home in her new red car. So here whatever adjectives I have used, all are adjective of quality except my, his, our and her. My, his, our and her, all these adjectives are possessive adjective. Many and few are adjective of number, and some is adjective of quantity, and rest other I have used whatever adjectives, they are adjective of quality. Okay, so in this way you can practice these exercises. Thank you.